Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence, brought to you by QuantumMind AI. We're excited to introduce our latest lineup of groundbreaking GPTs designed to revolutionize various aspects of your daily life. First, meet the Mindful Guardian AI. Tailored for mental health support, this AI offers multilingual assistance, ensuring no one is left behind. Its friendly demeanor and strong privacy protocols make it a reliable companion for those seeking guidance and support. Next, the Wordsmith Tutor. Focused on 8th E grade English education, this AI enhances writing skills with a friendly and approachable style. It's like having a personal tutor at your fingertips, guiding you towards excellence in writing. Then there's the Chirp Wizard. A master in crafting viral tweets, it's equipped with the latest trends and hashtags to make your content stand out. With Chirp Wizard, your social media presence will soar to new heights. Thumbnail Maestro, the multilingual expert in creating captivating YouTube thumbnails. Secure and versatile, it ensures your videos get the attention they deserve, no matter the audience. And finally, Lawyer AI, the ultimate companion for legal professionals. Mastering US laws and regulations, it provides unparalleled assistance in navigating the complex world of law. QuantumMind AI continues to redefine the possibilities of artificial intelligence. Join us in embracing a smarter, more connected world. Visit our website to learn more about these innovative solutions. QuantumMind AI, where the future of AI is now.